Guys, I'm gonna unbox this DC shoes that I've just ordered from Flipkart. Let's quickly unpack this. See, it's packed very well. खुल जा भाई. Okay, and the other side. So there is a small magazine from Flipkart, and it says India Fashion Capital and lots of other brands. Okay, and this is the bill. Alright, so this is the DC shoes, guys, that I've ordered. The box looks quite good and hard. The size is 9 US, so you can see it's traced as and the product code and the price and every detail. It's MRP 3995. Pretty good so far. Okay, let's just quickly open. Wow, it's so black. The color is so black. I love it. This is suede. It's so cool, guys. Wow. Pretty light and weight. You can see the DC logo. It's so black. Oh god, I love it. And check this out. The sole, it's super suede, and some product description is there. It's written the shoe features 50% more durable. Okay, alright, let's see the other side. Okay, DC branding, and what else? A bill again. So guys, this is how the shoes looks like. It's nice. It's from the size, you can see the DC logo is there. From the back side, especially I like the star. The star design is pretty cool. I like it. And the thing is, it's the color, the black. It's so dark. It's the dark feel. The suede, it makes it so dark. It's kind of look cool. Looks fresh. You can see the side view from here. and the quality of the logo is pretty good. It's printed with rubber. Side view, you can see. Okay, that's all.